Okay, welcome back traders. In this video we're going to take you through a trade setup. So we're going to take you through how we identify trading opportunities in the live trading room, our methodology and indicators that we use to select and place our trades. So sit back, relax, the video runs for around about 8 minutes and we hope you enjoy. Cheers. Traders, what you're looking at here is a chart of the pound US dollar. So one of the currency pairs. If you haven't seen the currency pairs in action before, don't worry too much about that. We'll take you through what the currency pairs are. But this is basically a chart of the pound US dollar. And what we're looking for on this chart, it looks probably looks a little bit daunting initially, but you'll pick this up very quickly. It's very easy. What we're looking for is we're looking for these little crosses, these either a green cross or a red cross. When we see a red or a green cross, that's either an indication for us to be buying at that level or selling at that level. So let's use this example here. We see a green cross here, and we'll just put our cursor on that level. That's telling us that that level there, sorry, 160.76. Basically, we're looking for to work what we call a buy order. So we're looking to buy the market. So we'll just type that up on the chart. So we want to buy the market at 160.76. Okay, so for each move on this on the currencies, so if this goes to 160.77, that's worth either our investment in that trade is either going to be worth $1 or $10 depending on what size contract you're trading. So what we're looking for is price to push up here, and once we get into the trade, for price to push up and trigger us into this trade here, and we'll show you how we manage the trade as we see it unfold. So we can see here that we actually get triggered into the trade there. So we're actually what we call long in the trade, or because we've bought at 160.76, we've been triggered in. And what we're looking for now is, the great thing about the system is it actually gives you your target, and we'll just take that away for a second. That larger green dot is your target, and the smaller one is what we call our money management level. So we'll mark that up on the chart. There's our target, and here's what we call our money management level. So we'll just put MM there for a minute. And I guess some of you may be asking, well, where's our stop? Well, we've got that covered as well. Our stop is, and you'll see it here, right, and there is our stop down there. So we'll just that little dot there is our stop. So we'll just place this red line, horizontal line on that stop, 160.48. So we are currently we're currently in this trade, and we'll just see how this trade plays out. So we've bought at 160.76. Our target up there is, let's just have a quick look at our target. Our target, if we put there, is 160.97, 97. So let's just mark our target on there. So looking for 21 pips, which is the distance between here and here. And we'll actually mark our target, and you'll see us do this in the room. We'll mark our target with a horizontal green line. That's the area we want to hit. So traders, as soon as we get into our trade, we've got our stop in place, we have our target. So all the work's been done. If we put our crosshairs on this bar here, where we see this, as soon as we get that green cross, as soon as price touches the green cross, we automatically get our target and stop, and you see the calculator does all the work for you. So if you're working an order there prior to getting your target and stop, all you do with your trading platform or your dome is just work a stop and target 30 pips above and below, just to make sure that you've got your limit order and your stop order in the market. And if you're not sure what I'm referring to there, I'll go into a lot more detail. But basically, a limit order is where you're looking to take profit, and a stop order is where you're looking for protection against the trade you're in, to make sure that you've got a limited risk in the trade. Very important that we have that. we're not going to be trading or taking any trades without having a stop in place. So as we push through this example, we'll see that price it kind of bases out a little bit here, and we get a little bit of a push up. So this is where we're looking pretty good on the trade. We hit our money management level, so at that point we need to bring our stop, and this is how we're trading this system. Our stop to break even, which is where we got in, or we want to just place it up slightly to take a little bit of profit. So if we got in there at 160.76, the way we would manage this trade is we'd actually take that up to 160.77 just to lock in a little bit of profit there, and as we push forward we go straight to target. So that's a winning trade, 21 pips. So as I said before, if you had been trading mini contracts you would have taken $21. If you're trading full contracts you would have taken $210. So let's have a look at the time that trade took. So we got into the trade here, and we'll timestamp this at 10:36, and we're out of the trade at 10:58. So a nice 22-minute trade. So that was very quick. Doesn't happen like that every time, but basically, traders, that's as simple as the system is. Now these other indicators that are on your chart, which is this, your green, thick green line, they all work really. Their goal is to provide you with this very basic setup of a cross, your target and stop. So we'll spend a lot of time when we're in the room explaining what the function of all these indicators, all these there's only 4 indicators. We'll explain the function of those, but they really do all the hard work or the heavy lifting to identify your trade setups. So all we're really looking for when we're trading and with trading with the moderator is just making sure that we identify these trades, that we provide you with the training to do so, and then once the trade's identified, then we work through how to manage the trade. So you get to do that in the live trading room. It's very exciting, and it's just a nice, comfortable environment to learn how to trade the currencies or the futures or commodities as well, because we trade crude oil as well. So there's no shortage of trading rooms, and as I said, we're more than happy to answer any questions when you're in the live trading room. So I think that might cover today's video. What we're going to be doing is posting a walkthrough video every couple of days just to show you how the trades have been going, and looking forward to having you in the room. As I said, if you have any questions, please send us an email when you get into the room, or if you want to do